Hello, good day. What's up? Welcome my channel TV, Randy TV. So now we have prepared salmon heat for lunch. Okay, I like this salmon because we give all my need for my body like oil, but vitamins, everything, especially the oil. So I prepare. I was it's ready wash this first wash and then put in the casserole and then make a ginger, put ginger after onion, yes, and then garlic. This is good and very masarap, yummy. All right, so it's ready. Put green chili and then the marinade chili vinegar. Wow, I love this for my lunch. Salmon with rice, peppercorn or paminta. Okay,